There are many projects in progress around us, like constructing a building or deepening a river. It is important these projects are managed efficiently. This video will discuss how to manage the projects so that the project is completed on time and within budget. Suppose the project is organizing a dinner. This project consists of several activities: book a hall, get speaker to speak at the event, create a souvenir book, organize a lucky draw, and so on. How to manage such a project? One way is by using mathematical models. One model is called PERT, which stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. Under PERT, we want to answer the following questions. Which activities are the critical activities? Which activities are the non-critical activities? What is the expected date of completion of the project? And what is the probability of project completion? What are critical activities? According to the Oxford Dictionary, critical means a situation having the potential to become a disaster. So based on this definition, we understand critical activities as follows. If a critical activity is delayed, the whole project will be delayed. However, if a non-critical activity is delayed, the project can still be completed in time. Back to the example about organizing a dinner. We want to see which activities are critical and which activities are non-critical. Firstly, book hall. If a hall is not booked, the dinner cannot proceed. So this is a critical activity. Secondly, get speaker to speak at event. This is an important dinner, so it is important to have a speaker. So this is also a critical activity. Thirdly, create a souvenir book. If there are no souvenir books, the dinner can still proceed. So this is a non-critical activity. Fourthly, organize a lucky draw. Similarly, the dinner can still proceed without the lucky draw. So this is a non-critical activity. For a simple project like organizing a dinner, it is obvious which activities are critical and non-critical. But for a big project, it is not so obvious. I will now discuss one example from the book by Brenda, Stair and Henner about the General Foundry. General Foundry is a metalworks company. When the company operates, it emits smoke. The Department of Environment is concerned about the emission of smoke. So the department asks General Foundry to install a filter. The filter will reduce the emission of smoke. So the project is to install a filter. This project has several activities which we label as A, B, C until H. For example, activity A is build internal components. Activity B is modify roof and floor, and so on. There is also another column called immediate predecessor. From this column, we find that the predecessor of C is A, the predecessor of D is B, the predecessor of E is C, and so on. Note that A and B have no predecessors. What does immediate predecessor means? To understand what predecessor means, consider the word successor. According to the Oxford Dictionary, successor means a person or thing that takes over another. For example, Datuk Abdullah Badawi is the successor to Tun Dr. Mahathir as the Prime Minister of Malaysia. Predecessor is the opposite to successor. So we can say that the predecessor to Datuk Abdullah Badawi as the Prime Minister of Malaysia is Tun Dr. Mahathir. So, for example, if the immediate predecessor of activity B is A, we can draw the following diagram. Back to the example on General Foundry. Previously, we have the list of all the activities and the immediate predecessor for each activity. From this table, we can draw the project network. First, we notice A and B have no predecessor. So we draw start, and activities A and B. Predecessor of C is A. Predecessor of D is B. Predecessor of E is C. Predecessor of F is also C. Predecessor of G is D and E. And predecessor of H is F and G. Then from H we draw finish. Notice that the lines cross, which is alright, but I want to draw the lines connecting activity F one more time to make the diagram look better.